Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are going good. Today we are talking about Vladimir Putin lifestyle and short biography. Vladimir Volodymyrovich Putin is a Russian politician and former officer of the KGB who has served as President of Russia since 2012, previously holding the position from 1999 until 2008. He was also the Prime Minister of Russia from 1999 to 2000 and again from 2008 to 2012. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates. Presenting Vladimir Putin lifestyle and more info. Let's know in details about biography. Vladimir Putin, President of Russia. His full real name is Vladimir Volodymyrovich Putin. He was born on 7 of October 1952. His birthplace, St. Petersburg, Russia. He is currently 67 years old as of 2020. He is Russian by nationality. He is a lawyer, politician and military officer by his profession. Religion, Christian. Vladimir Putin served as President of Russia from 2000 to 2008 and was re-elected to the presidency in 2012. He previously served as the Russia Prime Minister. Prior to getting into politics, from 1985 to 1990, Putin was a KGB agent in Dresden, East Germany, when he assumed identity of translator. Vladimir Putin was nominated for the 2014 Nobel Peace Prize. In 2020, Vladimir Putin had a fortune of $19.7 billion and is the richest Russian. Let's know about his education. He attended the local grammar and high school, when he developed an interest in sports. After graduating from Leningrad State University with a law degree in 1975. Let's know about his family. Wife Lyudmila Alexandrovna, married 1983 to 2014. On 28 of July 1983, Putin married Lyudmila Alexandrovna and they lived together in East Germany from 1985 to 1990. They have two daughters. Daughter Maria Putina, born on 20th April 1985 in Leningrad. Daughter Yekaterina Putina, born on 31st of August 1986 in Dresden, East Germany. Let's know about his facts. Voted the world's most powerful person 4 times between 2013 and 2016, Russia's president has exerted his country's influence around the world. An FBI investigation is underway that determined whether Trump campaign had a relation with high-ranking Russian officer during the elections. Putin served as Prime Minister for 1 year during Yeltsin presidency and ascended to the highest officer in 2000. Putin's international influence stems largely from Europe. Dependence on Russian oil and gas. State-owned Gazprom is one of EU's largest suppliers. Let's know about detailed cars. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates.